Alauddin and the Magical Lamp. In Arabian, there was a small village named Nasa where lived a couple. The husband, Mustafa, was a tailor and the wife, Haziba, helped him in his work. They lived in utter poverty and seldom had enough food to eat. Above that, the fact of their were childless worried them a lot. One day, the couple decided to shift from Nasa to Mecca with a hope that their life would take a new turn in the whole holy city. As they hoped, after they started to leave Mecca, Allah heard their prayers. He blessed the couple with a male child whom they lived Alauddin. Due to excessive attention and love, Alauddin became a very naughty boy. He was always out of the house playing with his friends and created problems to his parents. But his parents had no heart to reprimand their child, which made him more irresponsible. When Alauddin turned 7, his father decided to mend his ways and called him to his side. One night, sitting him on his lap, his father affectionately told him, "My dear son, you are our one and only child. We were blessed with you after many prayers. It is depressing to see you roaming around the whole city irresponsibly. We have a lot of dreams for you. You are not a small kid anymore. Before I lose my strength, I want to teach you all that I know, so that you will have a secure future." Affectionately brushing Aladdin's lock of hair, Mustafa continued to speak. "Dear boy, it is not too late. Stop being a brat and sit with me at least 2 hours a day learning tailoring. We are getting old. We won't be there with you throughout your life. Please try to lend me helping hand from tomorrow." As Mustafa finished speaking, Alauddin nodded his head and promised to her learn tailoring from his father. His parents were very happy that he had listened to them and slept happily that night. Alas, they realized how wrong they were when they found Alauddin running in the streets as usual with his friends. Though they tried to instill some sense of responsibility in him several times after, they always faced nothing but decision. Being the only child, none of his parents had the heart to raise him too. Some more years passed by. When Alauddin attained the age of 10, his father Mustafa expired due to illness. The sudden death of Mustafa left Alauddin and his mother in a deep shock. They were shattered and lost their only earning member. In order to earn a living, Hazuba again started to work as a servant maid. She worked hard day and night to earn some money to feed her child. Soon Alauddin turned 15 and grew up to be a handsome young lad.